Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, if you're having trouble with Google Play, all you need to do is hop out of it. And we're actually going to first head into your settings. So swipe up from here and tap on the settings icon. And from here, we're going to go to the Google Play Store app within your settings and do a couple of things. So let's scroll down until we find apps on this list and tap on that. And then again, we're going to scroll down until we find Google Play Store on here. Tap on that. Now, a couple different things that we will do before updating it. This helps to make sure that you get the latest version, but also fix if there's any bugs or glitches in it. So let's tap on storage here. And first we're going to hit clear cache, and you'll be able to see that cache goes to 0. And then we're going to hit clear data and hit delete. You'll be able to see the data goes to 0, but I still have the app on my phone. After I've done that, I'm going to hit the back arrow, and then I'm going to go down, and you can see app details in store. Now, if I tap on that, sometimes it works. Sometimes it says item not found, try again. Now, this is a common thing after you clear the cache and clear storage. You can hit try again a few different times and see if it pops up. If it doesn't pop up, there's no problem. We can just hop out of here, and we're going to close out of everything and then open up the Google Play Store. You can see there it works. It says, welcome to the Google Play Store. Let's hit get started. And in this case, I'm going to hit use biometrics, and I'm just going to use my fingerprint to be able to log back into the Google Play Store. After I've done that, let's make sure it's fully updated to the latest version. We can do that by tapping on your profile at the very top right. And then we're going to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on settings at the bottom. And now from here, you'll be able to see at the very bottom is about, Play Store, build version, etc. Let's open that up and scroll down to update Play Store and tap on that. Just make sure it should automatically say that your Google Play Store is updated, but make sure you tap on it to just confirm that you have the latest version. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.